Hello, welcome to Cartoon Fashion. Today, we will be exploring the transformation of famous fashion brands.
Amiri. Transformation to dirt bike. Balenciaga. Transformation to dirt bike. Louis Vuitton. Transformation to dirt bike. Prada. Transformation to dirt bike. Valentino. Transformation to dirt bike. Dior. Transformation to dirt bike. Moncler. Transformation to dirt bike. Bottega Veneta. Transformation to dirt bike. Fendi. Transformation to dirt bike. Off-White. Transformation to dirt bike. Burberry. Transformation to dirt bike. Versace. Transformation to dirt bike. Diesel. Transformation to dirt bike. Adidas. Transformation to dirt bike. Nike. Transformation to dirt bike. Puma. Transformation to dirt bike. Under Armour. Transformation to dirt bike. Alexander McQueen. Transformation to dirt bike. Gucci. Transformation to dirt bike. Dolce & Gabbana. Transformation to dirt bike. Saint Laurent. Transformation to dirt bike. Balmain. Transformation to dirt bike. Emporio Armani. Transformation to dirt bike. Calvin Klein. Transformation to dirt bike. Chanel. Transformation to dirt bike. Hermes. Transformation to dirt bike. Paul and Shark. Transformation to dirt bike. Ralph Lauren. North Face. Transformation to dirt bike. Ferragamo. Transformation to dirt bike.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.